have several of these grilling areas spread throughout the zoo. Not all of them are covered or huts like this, but places where you can sit and grill your food and eat. And here's where you can come to eat your food after you cook it. Get a nice view of the water, boats going by. And here we have a little bit of the insect life that you can find in Finland, not just at the zoo, but everywhere. All right, here we are in Lapland. One thing that you're always warned about when you come to Lapland is that there's lots of mosquitoes and bugs up here. So if you come to Lapland, you need to bring your off. So we were going to do a little experiment. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not. But as the car speeds up, I don't know if you can see the windshield, but the windshield was clean basically this morning. At least it wasn't this bad. All that dirt is dead bugs. And we're going to get the car up to speed here. And if you listen carefully, you may actually be able to hear the bugs as they hit the windshield. It sounds a lot like a rainstorm. So I'll be quiet and let's see if we can hear the sound of the bugs hitting the windshield. Here we go. I don't know, is the mic picking that up? It sounds like rain hitting against the window.
It's getting dirtier and dirtier.
bugs hitting. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a bug's life. So that was our time at the Helsinki Zoo today. Hope you had some fun seeing the animals that we saw. But if you liked the video, please take a moment to subscribe, like the video, and remember to click that bell icon so that you'll receive notifications whenever I upload new content. Again, thank you for watching this episode of Magic in Helsinki. Until next time, have fun.